Hi, welcome. Let's make some Cajun shrimp with taco. First, to start with, I will be chopping some onions. I will also use some bell peppers. I have my bell peppers frozen. I had a lot, so I wash and I freeze them to preserve them. So I'll be using that, and I'll be using it in the frozen state. Do not thaw your veggies when you are using them frozen. That way they are going to keep their shape and just have the right texture. In here I have my shrimp. To that I'll add some olive oil, I'll add some garlic powder, and I'll add my Cajun seasoning, lemon juice, and also some pepper flakes. I have my skillet ready to go at the right temperature, so I'll transfer my shrimp into the pan. I'm not adding any extra oil. I have seasoned the shrimp with some olive oil already, so that is what I'm going to use. I'm just going to cook the shrimp through until it is fully cooked, and I'll transfer onto a plate. And in the same pan, leaving some of the juice and the oil, I'm going to be using my onion and my frozen homemade peppers, and I'm just going to cook these until they are softened up a little bit. I don't want my veggies to be too soft, so just cook it to your preferred texture. I'm using my frozen bell peppers, and I'm using them in the frozen state so they keep their color and their texture the right way. So I'm just going to stir this and cook it, and I'll add the already cooked shrimp and mix everything together, and we can start building our taco. First, I want to warm up my taco a little bit in a dry pan on the stove top, and I'll also be slicing some mangoes. This is totally optional, but it is worth it if you like. Give it a try, and I know you will be amazed. So I'm just going to add some of the veggies and the shrimp onto my taco, and I'll add some mango chunks. And also, if you would like, I added some roasted habanero pepper sauce on mine. But if you don't like the heat or you don't like too spicy food, please omit this part and you will be fine. For me, it was good, and this lunch or dinner was easy to make. The Cajun seasonings was amazing with great flavors with clean ingredients. It was so good. You have to give this a try and you'll know what I'm talking about. Thank you so much for joining me on this delicious adventure. If you like this simple recipe, don't forget to give this video a like, and I will see you in the next video. Be blessed. Bye.